Welcome to another episode of Obie'z Lab. Today we're going to be turning a TV into a camera monitor. You can use this while you're recording with yourself, and you can use this when someone else is recording for you to see what's going on. I looked up some different things on YouTube and on the internet, and some people seem to think that this will give you more confidence while recording. I also think it's just would be nice to know when I have the camera faced in not a great way, and so I can record by myself easier. Alright, let's get to it. Before we get started, I'd like to talk about our subscribers. So we got 6 new ones. This is so exciting. We're getting more and more each video, and oh my god, it feels so good. So I'd like to give a shout out to our new ones, our continued subscribers. Thank you for joining the family and your continued support. And I also like to talk about our regular viewers that just see the videos every week and they're kind of like, don't know. Well, please come join the team and let us know how we're doing so I can make better content. I can show you more educational videos. I can show you how to do stuff, and I can show you how I do stuff. And that is about everything. Let's get to what we're doing. Okay, so we're gonna use the Galaxy S7 phone. We're gonna use an old Samsung TV. We take the remote, we go to the source button, we go to screen mirroring. It's hooked up on the Wi-Fi. You go to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone. Then you pull down the menu, you go over, you click smartview, and there's a list of the devices. It's a Samsung LED 43. Click that. And your TV is now connected to your phone. Alright, so for this next part, I'm going to put the phone up on the tripod and we're going to show you how it works in screen recording. Oh, hold on, actually. So we found something really tricky. So just check this out. So you take the phone and you put it right here. So now you're seeing a TV inside of a TV inside of a TV inside of a TV. But now, watch this. A man, a man, a man, a man, a man. Look at the leg! So cool. So I click record on this camera as if I'm recording. So now while I'm over here, I don't need Linda. I can see what's going on. There's a little bit of delay. That's only because of the Wi-Fi. I'm hooked up on the building Wi-Fi. I'm not hooked up on my personal one. Don't want to show that off to anybody. Anyways, so I'm here recording. I can do what I want. I can see where I am. I know where the camera is. And I can reposition it if I need to. I can take how many ever takes I want over here. If I wanted, I could hook up a Bluetooth to stop the recording or something else. So I feel like this is a real good tool. If you have stuff just lying around, you can do this. I had an old phone that I started working with now, the S7. Went onto YouTube. This guy showed me how to set up the best settings for the phone. Now I have another camera. And now I have a camera monitor for that camera. And that is everything about this video. I just wanted to show you how simple, quick way you can set up a video recording monitor for yourself so you can see what's going on. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked what you saw, come on down and subscribe. Leave us a comment and tell us how we did. Throw in a like, and we'll see you next time on Obie'z Lab.